How to install pipe insulation and insulated pipe support inserts. Straight pipework. Place the insulation sections onto the pipe, ensuring that the longitudinal joints are facing sideways. Seal the longitudinal joints with an appropriate aluminium foil tape. Thoroughly rub all seals with a flexible squeegee to create proper adhesion between tape and insulation. Using the same appropriate aluminium foil tape, seal each circumferential butt joint on any adjoining pipe insulation. Apply enough pressure for a close and secure vapor-tight seal. Support every longitudinal joint with 2 evenly spaced circumferential bands of appropriate tape. Again, thoroughly rub all new seals with a flexible squeegee. Insulated pipe support inserts. Place the insert onto the pipe, ensuring that the longitudinal joints are facing sideways. Remove the backing strip and seal the longitudinal joint with the self-seal lap. If required, seal the longitudinal joints with additional appropriate aluminium foil tape. Take care when installing the clamp and ensure that nothing is damaged in any way. Place in the adjoining insulation sections and seal the coinciding longitudinal and circumferential joints with appropriate aluminium foil tape. Thoroughly rub all new seals with a flexible squeegee to create proper adhesion between tape and insulation.